Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the Messages app on your Mac and click Messages in the menu bar. Choose Preferences and then Accounts to begin setup. Sign in with your Apple ID and password to activate iMessage. Enable the same Apple ID on your iPhone so messages sync across devices. Verify your phone number and email addresses in the settings to receive messages here. If prompted, enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your other device for two-factor authentication. Click the Compose button in the top left corner to start a new message. Enter a contact name, phone number, or email address to select the recipient. Type your text and press Return or click Send to deliver instantly. Tap the camera or photos icon to attach images and video before sending. Use the microphone icon to record voice messages and the app drawer for stickers and tapbacks. Enable text message forwarding on your iPhone to receive SMS messages on Mac. Turn on Messages in iCloud to keep your entire message history synced and save local storage. Open Messages Preferences and enable the option to sync messages across all devices instantly. Adjust notification settings in System Settings to control sounds, banners, and Do Not Disturb behavior. Use Handoff to continue composing messages between iPhone and Mac without interruption. Share large attachments with AirDrop when working between devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.